Welcome back, students, to our environment. In the last two lessons, we learned about the food chain. You did an activity about the food chain. You made your own characters and you showed how a food chain works. And then after that, you went ahead and learned about our biosphere, basically a refresher from last year. After that, we learned about the ecosystem and we learned about what's going to happen if something from the ecosystem goes missing. What is going to happen if I remove some part from the ecosystem and cause its destruction? A great deal of damage would be caused. Right now, in our environment, the biggest threat that we have to our environment as of now is nothing but pollution. What we hear, what we see every day, what we hear your parents also talk about many times is pollution. This pollution is something which is made by man, created by man. A lot of destruction it has caused. This pollution is widespread. It's not only in the air, it's in the soil, it's in the water, the noise pollution. All these things together are causing something which we know as the most deadliest killers for our planet, that is pollution. Now, you as a citizen of our earth, you as the future generation of earth have to rise up, have to become a superhero. You have to become a green superhero. What you see on your screens right now is being a green superhero. You become a person who saves the planet. Superheroes, right? We all love superheroes. We all know the Avengers. We My personal favorite is the Hulk because he is green in color. And why? Because our earth needs to be saved. We are in such a position right now. We are in a very critical position where our earth is being destroyed by numerous things. Our seas are getting destroyed, our forests are getting destroyed, the air is becoming unbreathable. There is so much of pollution, so much of destruction all around us that only you can save it by becoming a superhero. And this superhero is how you are going to conclude this lesson, by creating your own green superhero. You design your own green superhero, a person who saves the planet, who saves different components of our planet from destruction, and by thus, he saves the entire planet. He or she. Okay, each and every one of you need to remember that you are a superhero. If you are able to save your planet from destruction, if you are able to save even a glass of water, if you are able to save a morsel of food from getting wasted, you are a superhero. So you are going to design, you are going to create the next superhero, which is the final part of the activity for your art integrated activity for this lesson. And the superhero is going to be the one who saves our planet Earth. That is the last part of this lesson. I hope you have all understood very clearly about our ecosystem, about our food chain, about the domains of the earth, and how pollution is destroying our earth, and all these things. And I think that it has been easier for you to understand through the way of all these activities which you are doing over there. I have given a lot of explanation on how you can do these activities, what kind of materials you want to use. You can use on your own. You can keep an open mind, use a lot of imagination. Don't spend too much money on the materials, use what is available at home. Don't pester your parents for more and more materials. Use as much as you can and create from your own imagination everything that you can create. So that's it for now. This is a short video, and I hope all of you, read your textbooks, go through the lesson, understand everything, and at the end of it you can also write the notes in your notebooks. You can write it on your own words, the fill in the blanks, everything. So that's it for now. Take care, be safe, and we'll see you next.